Bro, get off my dick. Oh, it's all the way down there. Fast and Furious, you hear me? Wow. All right, I made it. Neptune's nest, or Neptune's net. Made it to Neptune's net. This is where Paul Walker and Vin Diesel were plotting in one of the windows. Yeah, it's beautiful, bro. I'm gonna come back down next time earlier so we can hit some of these little twisties. But yeah, beautiful, man. Take a look at the bike. Nice. All right, see y'all. Fucking fogging up. I'm fogging up, baby.